Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing 15 amazing Amazon products that will solve your common home issues in no time. Make sure to stick around until the end because number 15 is my favorite. This heavy-duty plumbing tool tackles tough clogs in sinks, showers, and tubs. Featuring a durable 25-foot steel cleaning cable, it efficiently reaches deep into pipes to remove blockages caused by hair, grease, and debris. The ergonomic spin grip handle provides maximum control and comfort during use, making it easy to maneuver through bends and curves in the plumbing. Ideal for homeowners and professionals alike, this drain snake is a reliable solution for keeping your drains clear and functional without the need for harsh chemicals. This furniture repair kit is ideal for fixing scratches, dents, and other damage on wood furniture. It includes a variety of tools and materials such as wood filler, touch-up markers, wax sticks, sandpaper, and brushes, allowing you to blend repairs seamlessly with the original finish. Perfect for restoring the look of chairs, tables, cabinets, and more, these kits help extend the life of your furniture without the need for professional repairs. Easy to use, they are ideal for quick fixes and maintaining your furniture's appearance. This repair kit is a handy solution for fixing small chips and cracks in your car's windshield, helping to prevent further damage. It includes a resin-based formula, an applicator, and curing tools that work together to restore clarity and structural integrity. Easy to use, the process involves applying the resin to the damaged area, removing air bubbles, and curing it under sunlight. Perfect for minor repairs, a windshield repair kit can save time and money by avoiding the need for professional replacement services. This flexible strip is designed to seal the gaps between your stove and countertop, preventing food, crumbs, and spills from falling through. Made from heat-resistant, flexible silicone, it adjusts easily to fit most gaps and withstands high temperatures without warping or melting. Its non-slip design ensures it stays securely in place, and the smooth surface makes it easy to clean with a quick wipe or rinse. Ideal for maintaining a tidy and hygienic kitchen, this gap cover is a simple yet effective solution for everyday messes. This device transforms any standard faucet into a touchless, motion-activated fixture. Designed for easy installation, it attaches to your existing faucet and uses infrared sensors to detect hand movements, automatically turning the water on and off without the need for physical contact. Ideal for kitchens and bathrooms, this adapter promotes hygiene by reducing the spread of germs and keeping your faucet clean. It's perfect for households with children, elderly individuals, or anyone looking to conserve water while improving convenience and cleanliness. This wristband is designed for DIY enthusiasts, handymen, and professionals to keep small metal objects like screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits within easy reach. Equipped with powerful embedded magnets, it securely holds items while you work, reducing the need for repeated trips to fetch tools or hardware. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for all wrist sizes, and the durable material withstands heavy use. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for construction, carpentry, or household repairs, offering hands-free convenience and efficiency for any task. This moldable glue transforms into durable silicone rubber upon curing. It can bond to various materials, including metal, glass, wood, ceramics, and plastic, making it ideal for fixing, sealing, or creating projects. Its moldable texture allows you to shape it easily for precise repairs or custom grips. Once applied, it sets in 24 hours, becoming waterproof, heat-resistant, and flexible. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, it's great for repairing appliances, insulating cables, or crafting creative solutions around the home. This Grout Pen is a quick and easy solution for restoring the look of grout lines in tiled surfaces. Designed like a marker, it allows you to precisely apply a layer of non-toxic, water-resistant ink that brightens discolored or stained grout. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or any tiled area, this pen works on both floor and wall grout. Its fast-drying formula ensures a clean finish with minimal mess, giving your tiles a fresh, renewed appearance without the need for extensive cleaning or regrouting. These outlet covers protect curious little ones from electrical hazards. They fit snugly into unused outlets, blocking access and preventing children from inserting objects or fingers. Made from durable, non-toxic materials, they are easy for adults to install and remove but difficult for toddlers to tamper with. Sleek and discreet, they blend seamlessly with your home decor while providing peace of mind. Perfect for creating a child-safe environment, they are a must-have for homes with young children. Made with a durable, waterproof material, This tape is perfect for patching leaks, sealing cracks, or protecting surfaces in areas exposed to moisture, such as roofs, pipes, and outdoor gear. The tape adheres securely to most surfaces, including wood, metal, plastic, and rubber, forming an instant, long-lasting barrier against water, air, and moisture. Its easy-to-use design makes it a must-have tool for both DIY projects and emergency fixes, offering a quick solution for maintaining dryness and preventing further damage. This drywall repair patch kit quickly and effectively fixes holes, cracks, and dents in walls. It includes everything needed for the job: pre-cut aluminum mesh patches, repair putty, a scraper, and sandpaper. The lightweight and self-adhesive patches make it easy to cover damage, while the putty fills and smooths the surface seamlessly. Ideal for both professionals and DIYers, this kit works on drywall, plaster, or sheetrock. With easy application and a durable finish, this kit helps restore walls to their original condition with minimal effort. This Power Plunger Gun quickly and effectively clears clogs in toilets, sinks, and drains using air pressure. Unlike traditional plungers, this plunger gun utilizes compressed air to deliver powerful bursts of force, dislodging blockages with ease. It's equipped with a trigger mechanism for precise control and a durable nozzle that fits standard drain openings. The air power feature makes it a cleaner, more efficient option compared to conventional plungers, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. These furniture slider pads are designed to protect floors and make moving furniture effortless. Unlike traditional felt pads, these sliders feature a round design with a non-slip, self-adhesive backing that sticks securely to furniture legs, providing extra stability. The smooth, durable surface allows furniture to glide easily across various floor types, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and carpet, preventing scratches and dents. Ideal for heavy furniture or frequent movers, these smart surface slider pads offer a reliable and long-lasting solution for maintaining your floors while simplifying furniture rearrangement. This screen door allows fresh air to flow into your home while keeping bugs and insects out. Made with durable mesh and equipped with magnets along the center, it automatically closes behind you when you walk through, providing a hands-free entry. It can be quickly attached to any door frame using adhesive strips or hooks, and its design is perfect for use in high-traffic areas like kitchens, patios, or entryways. Level up your construction, renovation, and DIY game with this ultra-precise red beam self-leveling laser. Featuring 360-degree rotary functionality and cross-line projection, it ensures accurate leveling and alignment for tasks like hanging shelves, aligning tiles, or installing cabinetry. The self-leveling mechanism automatically adjusts for slight tilts, while the red beam provides clear visibility in indoor settings. Durable and easy to use, this laser is a reliable companion for both professionals and home users seeking precision. And, there you have it. Which product are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.